Hi teacher, my name is Smeralda Z, Untalan, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science, and I will make discussing the Midland and non-Midland inheritance, which is a laboratory activity number 5. So, Midland traits, alleles, are typically expressed by one letter. The capital form of the letter represents the dominant allele, while the lowercase version of the letter represents the recessive allele. So, children get one allele for a trait from their father and the other allele for a trait from their mother. These two alleles come together to decide what the actual phenotype of a type trait is going to be. A phenotype is a physical representation of a trait such as the brown hair, blue eyes, or freckles. If a child receives either one or two dominant alleles, they will show the dominant phenotype. If a child receives two recessive alleles, they will show the recessive phenotype. Midland traits are named after the Austrian monk named Gregor Mendel. So, we know that Gregor Mendel, who studied how traits are passed through generation of pea plants in the 1800s in this image. You can see an example of two parents pea plants. So, when these two parents cross, they each give one allele to the offspring. So, paano ba? The possibilities for the alleles of the offspring are seen in the 4 boxes. The offspring will either be YY, which will make the offspring be as yellow, or YY, which will result in green peas. Example include by a single gene contrast with a multifactorial disease like heart disease, which is affected by the Smeralda Z and the environment, as well as those disease inherited in the non-Midland fashion. So, go back with a non-Midland trait. So, what is a Midland or non-Midland traits? Non-Midland traits are traits that are not passed down with the dominant and recessive alleles form one gene. Polygenic traits are considered non-Midland. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung madaming genes. When we say poly, madami. So, because their alleles are located on more than one gene, which allows or allow for more alleles and phenotype. Example of polygenic traits are hair and color and height. Non-Midland inheritance is any pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate or accordance with Mendel's laws. The laws describe the inheritance of traits linked to single genes on chromosomes in the nucleus. In Midland inheritance, each parent contributes one of two possible alleles for a trait. Any pattern of inheritance which traits do not segregate in accordance with the Mendel laws. This includes an inheritance of multiple alleles traits, codominance, incomplete dominance, and polygenic traits. So, thank you. That's all.